Prompt Framework number 5, CARE. The CARE prompt framework is designed to guide prompt writers in crafting prompts that yield helpful, relevant, and well-structured AI responses. CARE stands for Context, Action, Role, and Execution. Each component ensures that the AI-generated output aligns with the user's needs, is well-focused, and meets specific expectations regarding tone, format, and content depth. This framework is particularly effective for conversational AI, educational content, and professional applications where clarity and relevance are crucial. Here's a detailed breakdown of each component in the CARE framework. 1. Context. Purpose. The context component provides background information or situational details, helping the AI understand the prompt's environment, the target audience, and any other relevant factors. By setting up the context, the AI can generate responses that are more accurate and aligned with the user's expectations. Examples of context. Audience background. Describe the target audience, e.g., for middle school students learning about ecosystems. Purpose or situation. Explain why the response is needed, e.g., the user is preparing for a job interview in marketing. Topic boundaries. Provide a quick overview of the subject or situation, e.g., this is part of a blog series on time management strategies. Example, context segment. This prompt is for a beginner's guide on coding, aimed at adults with no prior experience in technology. The user is looking for tips to improve focus while studying for exams. Best practices. Be concise yet informative. Include only the essential background details to keep the context focused and relevant. Align with user intent. Ensure the context provided matches the user's goals and expectations. Set clear boundaries. Provide enough background to avoid broad or generic answers, especially for specific or technical topics. 2. Action. Purpose. The action component specifies the task or action that the AI should perform. This part defines the primary objective of the response and helps guide the AI's focus on delivering the intended type of content. Examples of action. Instructional actions. Request the AI to explain, describe, list, or provide an example. Advisory actions. Ask the AI to recommend, suggest, or advise. Creative or analytical actions. Use prompts like create a story, analyze, or compare. Example. Action segment. List 5 practical tips for improving productivity at work. Explain the basics of climate change in simple language for a general audience. Best practices. Use specific verbs. Start with a clear action verb to ensure the AI understands what's needed, e.g., explain, list, describe. Align action with purpose. Make sure the action reflects the desired outcome, whether it's informative, persuasive, creative, or advisory. Avoid vague phrasing. Use precise language to reduce ambiguity, especially in complex topics or tasks. 3. Role. Purpose. The role component assigns the AI a specific persona, point of view, or expertise level to shape the response style and tone. Defining a role is especially useful when the AI needs to adopt a certain voice, tone, or expertise to match the user's needs. Examples of roles. Professional or technical roles. Specify roles like data analyst, nutritionist, or customer service representative. Educational or guidance roles. Use roles like teacher explaining a concept, mentor giving advice, or coach offering support. Creative or imaginative roles. Assign roles such as storyteller, historian from ancient Rome, or scientist explaining discoveries to kids. Example role segment. Imagine you are a career counselor, advising someone on how to choose a new career path. Respond as a friendly personal trainer offering beginner fitness tips. Best practices. Choose an appropriate persona. Select a role that aligns with the topic and target audience's needs or expectations. Set expertise level as needed. Indicate whether the AI should respond as an expert, a peer, or a beginner to ensure the response's complexity aligns with the user's understanding. Emphasize tone. When relevant. In roles that require emotional support or encouragement, Clarify the tone to guide the AI's phrasing and approach. 4. Execution. Purpose. Execution focuses on structuring the response and defining any formatting, length, or stylistic requirements. This component ensures that the response is clear, coherent, and well organized according to the user's specifications. Examples of execution requirements. Formatting and structure. Specify structure like bullet points, paragraphs, or numbered lists. Length constraints. Define the desired length, such as in 100 words, brief summary, or 3-paragraph answer. Tone and style. Indicate the desired tone, such as professional, casual, friendly, or enthusiastic. Example: execution segment. Write a 200-word summary using bullet points to highlight each main benefit of exercise. Respond in 2 paragraphs, using a formal tone suitable for a business presentation. Best practices. Be clear on formatting needs. Specify the response structure to enhance readability, especially for lists, guides, or technical responses. Match style to audience. Choose tone and language that align with the audience, whether that's casual, formal, or friendly. Limit constraints where appropriate. Avoid over-specifying if flexibility is beneficial, particularly for open-ended or creative prompts. Putting it all together. Here's how a prompt would look using the CARE framework. Context. The user is preparing for their first job interview in the field of digital marketing and wants to understand key strategies to discuss. Action. List 3 effective digital marketing strategies that are easy to explain and impactful in a beginner context. Role. Imagine you are a digital marketing coach advising a newcomer on how to make a positive impression in their interview. Execution. Use a friendly, encouraging tone and write each strategy in a bullet point, with a short, 1-sentence explanation for each. Complete. Prompt. You are a digital marketing coach advising someone preparing for their first job interview in the industry. List 3 effective digital marketing strategies that are beginner-friendly and impactful, providing a short, 1-sentence explanation for each. Use a friendly, encouraging tone and format the response in bullet points. Benefits of using the CARE framework. Enhanced focus and relevance. The context and action components guide the AI to produce responses that are directly aligned with the user's goals. Improved tone and engagement. Role and execution help create a response that resonates with the user's expectations, making it more relatable and impactful. Flexible across applications. The framework can be adapted to suit various needs, from technical information and creative tasks to conversational and advisory prompts. Streamlined response structure. By clearly defining formatting and tone, execution ensures that the final output is coherent, easy to read, and effectively organized. The CARE prompt framework is particularly effective for guiding AI interactions in a way that maintains focus, provides context, and meets specific audience needs. It is versatile enough for professional, educational, and creative applications, making it a reliable tool for crafting precise and meaningful AI prompts. Have you tried the CARE framework? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on AI prompting and content creation. See you in the next video.